Chapter 4 test. This is question number 1. I'm going to read out each question. Go ahead and pause, solve, and then hit play to go to the next question. Number 1. Jerry picked 16 red apples. He picked 27 green apples. How many apples did Jerry pick? You need to label this bar model here. The lines are for missing numbers. I need to see a number sentence written on this line with a blank for the missing number. Then I need to see where you have solved it. Number 2, Mandy has 26 baseball cards, 42 football cards, and 38 basketball cards. How many cards does she have? Your sentence down here says that Mandy has 68, 80, or 106 cards. Number 3. Eric reads 19 pages of his book on Monday. He reads 41 pages on Tuesday. How many pages does he read? Choose all the number sentences that show the problem, and then solve. So here you're given 4 different answer choices. If Eric reads 19 pages of his book on Monday and 41 pages on Tuesday, how many pages does he read? If you think that 41 minus 19 will help you solve it, then you'll fill in this bubble here. If you think that 41 plus 19 will help you solve it, you'll fill in the bubble here. If you think that 22 minus 19 would help you solve it, fill in this bubble. And if you think that 19 and 41 would help you solve it, fill in this bubble here. And yes, there is more than one right answer. You need to solve the problem. Eric reads blank pages. And then down here, I want you to tell me how it is that you solved the math problem. Number 4, Lila counts 44 birds at the park. She counts 38 birds in her yard. Draw a picture or write to explain how to find the number of birds that Lila sees. So this box here is meant for a picture or a number sentence to tell me how many birds Lila sees, and then Lila counts blank birds. Number 5. There are 18 girls in the chorus. There are 9 boys. How many children are in the chorus? Draw quick pictures to solve and write the sum. So you're going to need to draw me quick tens of 18 and 9 and then write the sum. Question down here, did you regroup to find the answer? Explain. Yes, I regrouped because blank. No, I did not regroup because blank. You need to tell me which one fits. Number 6. Leon says that he can find the sum of 30 plus 67 without rewriting it. Explain how you can solve this problem using mental math. Mental math is when I solve a problem in my head and I don't have to write it down. Number 7. Mia buys 79 marbles. Which 2 bags does she buy? So you have a bag of marbles that has 34, 23, and 45. Which 2 bags does Mia buy to get to 79? And then down here, you're going to write and tell me how you made your choices. Number 8. On 4 days of this week, Madeline practiced her violin 43 minutes, 32 minutes, 16 minutes, and 25 minutes. Write me a number sentence to show the number of minutes Madeline practiced her violin. Solve it too. Number 9. George collected 36 oak leaves. He collected 41 maple leaves. Show how you can break apart the addends to show how many leaves George collected. So over here they wrote the math sentence vertically. 36 plus 41. I want you to break 36 into tens and ones. Break 41 into tens and ones. Add your tens, add your ones, sum. Number 10. Without finding the sums, does the pair of addends have a sum greater than 100? Choose yes or no. So what they want you to do here, friends, is you're not going to sit there and rewrite 77 plus 12 up and down and find exact tens and ones. Just by looking at 77 and 12, do you think that if you add them together, it's greater than 100? Yes or no? By looking at 49 plus 72, greater than 100? Yes, no. Would the sum of 16 plus 95 be greater than 100? Yes or no? What about 47 plus 46? Yes, it's greater than 100. No, it's not. Then down here, I want you to write me a sentence using words explaining how did you decide which pairs had a sum greater than 100. Number 11. Olivia sees 16 crabs at the beach. Then she sees 7 more. Choose all the ways you can use to find how many crabs Olivia sees. So she saw 16 crabs at the beach, and then she saw 7 more. Choose all the ways you can use to find how many crabs Olivia sees. So there can be more than one right answer. If you think that 16 minus 7 would show you how many she found, fill that bubble in. If you think that 16 plus 7 would get you the answer of how many crabs Olivia saw, fill that bubble in. If you think that 16 plus 4 plus 3 would give you the correct answer for how many crabs Olivia sees, fill in this bubble. Number 12, our final question. Ben has 37 pennies. Rachel has 22 pennies. How many pennies do they have? Go ahead and solve any way you know how and put your answer here. Thank you.